How to hold the harmonica. Pick up your harmonica with the numbers facing up. The lower notes should be on the left side and the higher notes should be on the right side. Your left hand, left thumb and left index finger. So put harmonica like this between these two fingers and leave some space here to put it in your mouth, okay? Don't block this area. For the right hand, normally we can use like this. So your right thumb and your right index finger. Put your right thumb on hole number 9 or 10 and pinch your harmonica like this. I hold it like this between my thumb and my index finger. So I have my left hand, my right hand, then I close my right hand fingers like this.